Yo, what is going on, guys? We hit 75% within the first half hour of the day. Super clean setup. Could have taken some more today, but I didn't. We would have had to break this range first, how we did there. Um, it was pretty nice, right? SPY was a little choppy for the day, so that was kind of hard to navigate. So at least we knew that we were on the downside, right? We're on the downside of things. We'll do the watch list first, and then I'll tell you what executions happen. So since we're on SPY, we'll do SPY. I did London Low sweep and reclaim up to 647 or under 642 to 639, right? So we went under 642 at open and then rejected 642 and went straight to 639. That was the trade. That was the SPY trade of the day. Someone that I knew was in calls, so I kind of stayed away from it. I didn't want to get into it because it just changed my bias on it. I was like, it could just sweep right here and reclaim on these lows. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait to see what happens. So in the meantime, well, I guess I'll just go into it. So then in the meantime, I was like, let me see what Tesla's doing. All right, Tesla was falling, so that was a clean close. I was like, man, this is gonna be a good retest, right? So then I was looking at SPY and at Tesla, and I was like, hey, if SPY fails that retest, then I'll take Tesla to the downside, right? Because I still don't really want to take SPY to the downside, right? I mean, I just had a feeling it was in chop. So I'd rather take another name that's stronger to the downside, bigger potential move. So it candle wicked and closed below this level. As soon as this candle closed at 8:45, this candle was right here at 8:45. So the second that this candle closed underneath, I grabbed entry for puts here. And then, oop, and then you can see that this 367 was stop loss and 362 was take profit. So Tesla 367 to 359, I said, which it ended up going the second retest, right? And that would have been the best move. And this was take profit one, and then hold runners, and then I sold runners. I actually got stopped out of runners like right here, and then you can see that it went up the rest of the afternoon, and this was the full retest. So this was a little early entry, but when you're on a smaller time frame and SPY rejects, it's like, okay, we know that we could take it to here with a stop loss here. I also didn't go heavy inside just in case we did come up a little bit more, right? I wanted to save room to add. So my entry was about 367. I wanted to save room to add around 368. So then 369 could be my stop loss, right? So I also planned like that, but then we just went straight down. So I just took my profits. There was a 75% trade. That was great. I was done for the day. Um, if I came back around 10:30 is usually where the volume comes in, right? But when 10:30 came around, that was nice. That was very nice. So I think I moved that level on the way down. I feel like it would have been there. Yeah. That's the full retest right there. 367.67. But I'll show you on YouTube. Shoulders, baby. So I'm curious to see if we finish this whole move on Tesla for sure. You know, we'll come up first and then more than likely come back down to grab that 367 and then see what happens below that. I would definitely hold a runner if we break below 367 for sure. So literally you can see that I told you guys pre-market, right? I told you pre-market. I'm gonna take these levels off. All I did was draw for you. I said, hey guys, what is this? What's this pattern? Boom, head and shoulders. And that's exactly what happened today. Like, I'm fucking goated. love stocks. All right. Where was I at? And then AMD below 200 to 195.5. Let's see. We never went. We never went. Oh shit! I should have had a level here, for sure. All right. Well, you would have lost that trade. I'm sorry. If you don't watch my videos and you don't know to trim at equal lows, um, and you would have held and you were trying to hold for the whole TP, you would have lost that trade. So, but other than that, Tesla hit and SPY hit. So 2 trades on the watch list. Plus, I told you this morning that's free actually. So, yep, that's it. It's your boy Mike Lowy. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if I could do better, what I can do better, what questions you have. Let's go. Let's grow. Come on. Nobody's waiting for you.